Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Adjust seat and mirrors so you see the road and gauges without strain. Make sure to put your phone in Do Not Disturb and mount it. Set your route before you move. Remove or stow anything that can roll or catch your attention. Lower the radio to a conversational level. Once done, take one steady breath, check mirrors and blind spots, and commit to eyes on road for the next chunk of driving. This immediate setup reduces cognitive load and prevents early distractions. You now maintain focus by scanning, far ahead, mid-distance, then near. Repeat every 6 to 10 seconds. Make sure to check mirrors regularly and read other drivers' cues, like brake lights and turning signals, so you can anticipate and avoid surprises. Use short, controlled breaths or a quick visual reset at natural brakes. This steadies attention without becoming hypervigilant. Once you establish that rhythm, you'll reduce reaction time and mental fatigue because you're predicting rather than reacting to events. You complete the drive by planning safe pullover locations and handling non-driving tasks only when stopped. If your focus drifts, find the next safe spot and take a 5-minute break or trade drivers. This prevents degraded decision-making. Make sure to hydrate and stretch during longer drives. If distractions persist, lower cabin stimuli further or postpone the trip. Finally, if you feel drowsy or repeatedly distracted, reset with a short rest and reassess whether continuing is safe. Safety always takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.